You
Yum, yum,
like
yum.
it? It's called cereal. And that tongue in the way. I don't know if it's going to work out.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Is that good? You have the funniest little tongue. Yeah.
Oh, yummy, yum,
you
yum.
like it, huh? You doing good? You being a big boy? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Grandpa, look at me. I'm eating big boy food. Day after your birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Doing good.
You're doing really good.
Yeah, I think he's so cute too. Yeah, I do. I think Mom thinks you're adorable. You're doing awesome. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad Daddy's here too, huh? Yeah.